Guys, I'm back. I got something to share with all of you. I'll wait for you guys to join first. Any one of you have joined this live video yet? Part 2. I'll finish part 2 with a twist. Okay, so if you're interested, please join. I'll share with you guys more what happened. Okay, as all of you, now I've got to share with all of you something. Part 1 earlier on, when I did the first video, like I said, I took a break. In that break, in that 10 minutes break, something happened in the market. The market suddenly has a burst of strength. Any one of you saw Yoma? It just ran like from 575 to now 5, the high to 595. In that 10 minutes, the stock burst to a strength. Now, I'm trying to tell all of you something. What I'm trying to tell all of you is this. Can you see the timing is correct? What do I mean? Can you see when I watch stocks, I don't bother about, okay, if Viking is 48 cents or 47 or 49 cents. As long as the timing is right, can you see any price you buy, any price you long, the stock will still burst higher? And true enough, during that 10 minutes break, while I took my 10 minutes break, a lot of stocks started to run. Oz Group is now 71 cents. Yoma just burst up to 59 cents. Rex continue to run a little bit. Let me see. Okay, so that 10 minute break, that 10 minutes break is very important for me to watch the market, because I need to be focused when I'm really watching the market, and I don't want anyone to bother me whatsoever. Okay, okay, okay. Let me watch. Hold on. Can you see the market is so strong today? Okay, guys, can you see the market is so strong today with so many stocks starting to run? Okay, so many stocks starting to run, and they are all making money. What I mean, in fact, we gave a WhatsApp call early in the morning, and the stock is running now, and I believe most of them are in the money now. Okay, as I was watching that, as I was taking the 10 minutes breaks earlier on, I wanted to give a call, a WhatsApp call. I swear to God, I wanted to give a WhatsApp call, but the stock ran up so fast that I wasn't even having a time to even type on my phone. Okay, so here I emphasize again, I strongly believe in timing, not pricing. Okay, so I hope you guys have a better understanding of how I do things. I focus on time, not price. Okay, I'm still watching Viking. Hold on, give me a minute. Let me watch something. I want to see the chart. Okay. Yes, Viking is still bullish. Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, let me watch. Okay, I'll take in questions now while the market is taking a short little breather at the moment. Okay, I'll take in questions now. You guys can post your questions in the comment section. Okay. Any questions? Any stocks you want me to take a look? Okay, if there's no stock, how high can Viking go? Dave, I don't know. I told you I watch time. You will learn the program. I mean, I will teach you in my program how to watch how high it can go. You must see the time in the chart, not the price. Okay, so I don't know how high it can go. Anchor resource. Gap. If you want to learn my skills, you send me an email. Just send it to stockmarketmindgames@gmail.com. I will show you how can you learn from me. Okay, just send me an email. I'll tell you what to do. Yuzu. Now Yuzu, let me see. Okay, I let you guys know something. If you watch the top 30 stocks now, if you watch the top 30 volume stocks now, it's mostly penny stocks. So most penny stocks take charge at this moment. So if you see Yuzu run, it's just because the penny stocks is running and Yuzu just follow. But I don't think there's any big news whatsoever. Okay, the big news is in marine and shipping sector. Like in Terratech, I think RTO is going to happen, takeover news is going to happen. But the auto marine stock, because of that potential big buyer or privatization news, the big news will be in the marine and shipping sector. So watch all the marine and shipping stocks. Don't look for stocks like Yang Zijiang, which is a blue chip. Look for a little bit penny stocks. Look for penny marine stocks. What do I mean? Now, if you realize the auto marine is hot, has been hot for a few days already, and it's still halting, and it requests for more days before it releases the actual news. What does it mean? It means that a lot of maybe there are a lot of buyers looking for cheap penny stocks to acquire. So I'm not very sure, but it looks like that's the way it is. So don't look to join, or I should say, don't look on marine shipping stocks on the blue chip side. Look more on the penny stocks because the top volume is mostly penny stocks. Okay. Sembcorp Marine, Andy, I just shared Sembcorp Marine. Okay. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I'm watching something. Okay. Rickman's Marine Time. Okay, let me take a look. Definitely, it can be considered a penny stock. It's a marine shipping stock, but there's one problem with this stock now. The timing is off. So this is not the stock for now. Okay? Namjong. Okay, Namjong, I'm not so bullish now because first of all, it has already ran. So in the short term, I need to see how much sellers emerge first before I can decide whether it's still bullish and if it's still going to go higher. So as of now, don't touch Namjong first, okay? The timing, I repeat again, the timing is very, very important. Not the pricing. So if you buy Namjong now, or if you buy a Rickman's now, or if you buy Mermaid now, the stock will not run because the time to run is not here yet. So hold on first. Don't do anything to all these stocks. Okay, let me continue to watch. Okay. Guys, I repeat, don't play Noble. Don't play Noble. Noble, even though the market is bullish, never touch Noble, okay? If it goes higher, so be it. There's so much other better stocks. Don't play the commodity sectors. So Golden, Agri, Noble, Wilma, stay out of all these sectors, okay? The biggest sector now is oil and gas, marine and shipping sector. This is the two hottest sector right now. And don't play blue chip on shipping and marine. Look for the penny stocks because it's the penny season, okay? Look at Yang Zijiang. If you don't believe me, look at Yang Zijiang. How come most shipping stocks run, some penny stocks, some shipping penny stocks starting to run, but how come Yang Zijiang didn't even bother to move a little bit? Because it's not the penny, it's not the blue chip season, okay? Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, I've got to share with you guys something. Now, yesterday night, some of you have emailed me, some of you have asked me questions. Yesterday night, I did a workshop. I posted the pictures on my blog. I did a workshop. And I emphasize, and I keep emphasizing on timing. Why timing is so much more important than pricing. I believe some of them got what I tried to explain to them. But the thing is this, it's very important to learn a lifelong skill. Okay guys, just I can do this video like continuously, you know, every day I can do one short video, 20-30 minutes, no problem. But guys, it's very, very important to learn a lifelong skill. Why? Because I remember when I was 10 years ago, when I was still a teenager, when I was still a young boy, I was also trying to crack my head to break the code in the stock market. But there's one problem. I cannot find a mentor, nor I can find someone who can really teach me the real holy grail or the real secrets in the stock market. What most of them shared with me is mostly technicals, fundamentals, which I'm not really interested in. So along the way, I lost some money here and there. It's fine because it's all a learning process. Losing money is part of the learning process. So I embrace that. But why is a lifelong skill very important? Because when you have a skill, you can spot stocks yourself and you know how to pick stocks yourself. But more importantly, you can make money yourself at any time, anywhere. You don't have to set up a business. You don't have to go office and fight office politics, which is so tiring, you know. So to me, during those days, I told myself one thing: if I continue to believe in tips, fundamentals, technicals, I won't be sitting here today sharing my outlooks here in stocks. And look at what happened earlier on. Look at what happened earlier on in Viking offshore. I said it's going to run. I watched the stock closely. There was hidden buying the stock, and the stock ran. And then as of now, it's trading at 5.2 from 4.8, and it's now 5.2, and the stock is still strong. Okay, how do I learn all this? Some of them asked me during the workshop last few days, how do I learn all this? First of all, I can tell you it's not easy, because first of all, you got to be able to accept losses. The best teacher is the market. The market is the best teacher. I'm not the best teacher. I'm just a guider to teach all of you my skill if you're interested. And I can teach you. Okay guys, before we continue, Viking is now 5.3, okay? It's now 5.3. I'm still watching the stock. It's very strong. Can you watch this? It's now trading at 0.053 cents, okay? So how did I learn this skill? I lost a lot of money. I didn't give up, and I continued to do my research work, and finally I found a holy grail called timing, and that's where I slowly practice non-stop, and I slowly trade from small lots, 20 lots, 5 lots, or 30 lots, to trade millions of shares. Now, when I trade millions of shares, I'm confident of my skill. I'm very, very confident of what I see every day. And how confident am I? I'm confident to give a stock right in front of this video. And as you can see, my prediction normally came true, okay? So, a lot of them told me their concern. They say, hey Ron, it seems like very good, but is it very hard to learn? Is it very hard to acquire a skill? I tell them, no. If you think it's hard, nothing will be done. What do I mean? When you go to look for a job, you got to constantly send out resume. If you don't send, there's no chance for you to even get a job. And when you finally found a job, can I say this? You have to protect your job. You have to go to work every day and do what you are supposed to do in your job description. So it's the same. If you put in effort in the market, in the long run, you are able to achieve. You may not be Ronald K, you may not be the same level as me, but you are able to achieve 70 to 90% of what I do every day. You know why I know, guys? Because I've got students who are successful, and today I coach some people, I coach some students to teach other students to see what I see on a day-by-day basis. And like I said, it's not difficult, okay? And for those who came from my workshop,